Hello everyone, this is Sam Gazelle. This video is going to be the beginning of a series of videos in which I will be refreshing some people's memories about some mathematical notions and topics, especially in the field of calculus. Because I have a lot of students who ask me, who ask for help in their calculus courses, and so I thought it would be maybe a good idea to include those videos on my blog and on YouTube as well. And so anyone wanting to refresh their memory, or just curious about knowing how things work in mathematics, could look at these videos. So I'm going to introduce the very basic notion of derivative, which is the beginning, and also the notion of limit. But before there's a prerequisite. We have to know what rate of change is. So I drew here a Cartesian plane in which we have the x-axis and the y-axis, and we have a straight line. Okay, so we're going to pick 2 points on this straight line and give them values, coordinates. So let's say in x, this point has 5 units in x. Okay, it could be any number as long as it makes sense. And in y, let's say it's 7. And the next point is further down on x and higher on the y, along the y-axis. And let's say this is in x 10 units, so 5 units further than this point along x, and along y, let's say we've got 12. So 12 units along y. Okay, which would mean that, whoops, sorry. And this would be 12, you know what I mean, it's a bit messy. And 10 along x, that's what it means, okay? And here we would have, for this point, we would have 5 along x and 7 along y, okay? Now the rate of change, also called the slope of this line, is very easily calculated by doing, by taking this value, both values of y, and calculating the difference divided by the difference in x. So that would give us, for every unit along x, how many units do we have along y? Okay, so let's say the the letter m means the slope. We use m or a sometimes in other books for the rate of change or slope. So what I'm going to do is 12 minus 7. The result of this would be divided by 10 minus 5. Okay, I'm sure most of you know this already. So 12 minus 7, that's 5, and 10 minus 5 gives also 5. So we have 5 over 5, and the result is 1. So the rate of change is 1, which means, okay, that for every increase, so for every increase of 1 unit, and that could be centimeters, could be meters, could be liters, could be any mathematical or physical unit. Of 1 unit in x, there's also 1 unit of increase along y. Okay? In my next video, I'm going to use this concept to introduce the derivative. Thank you for watching.